Stop. I would not do that. Don't, stop. Just stop, don't. If it keeps going further, then we all gonna be stuck right here. Come on. Fucking hell. Hey, yo, stop. Don't. Just back out. No, back out. Just back up. Take your water. Just back it up. No, back up. No, stop. Bro, what are you doing? I might as well go back. Bro, don't. Stop. I might as well go back. Oh, why will you do that? Don't just. Oh, shit. Oh my God, yo. Keep the wheel straight. Stop. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Bro, stop. Stop turning. Keep the wheel straight, bro. Keep the wheel straight.
Yeah, I'm not trying to go
I know, listen. If you go any further, you're going to be stuck here. Straighten up the wheels. Stop, right there. All right, now back up. Slow, all right, slow. Just back up. Pull up a little further. Pull up. Yeah, pull up a little bit. Right there. Stop. Now back out. Keep the wheel straight. There you go. All right. Pull forward a little bit. Stop. Now back up. There you go. Keep the wheel. Like I said, keep the wheel straight. Do not turn the wheel. Right there. Just keep it straight. Now stop. Now back up. There you go. Just keep going. There you go. Keep going. All right. Pull up a little bit. Stop. Now back up. There you go. Now, hey, bro. Keep going. No, keep going. Don't turn it. Stop. All right. What you're going to do is you're going to try to straighten up your truck, all right? Because you're going to angle your trailer this way. You want your trailer like this? So you're going to pull forward a little bit, all right? So, no, don't. No. For the love of God, don't, okay? All right. So what I'm trying to tell you, back up a little bit, all right? Back up. Turn your wheel all the way to the left. All the way to the left. Left. Turn all the way to the left. Now back up. There you go. Keep turning all the way to the left. Let me try to spot you real quick, all right? All right, keep backing up. You good? Keep backing up. Oh shit. Yeah, I got. Keep backing up. You good? There you go. Stop. All right. So you're gonna pull forward. All right. You're gonna pull closer to it right here. You're going to pull a little bit over here, all right? Okay, you're going to try to get this trailer straightened up, all right? So pull a little further over here. All right, now turn to the right. All right, keep turning to the right. Keep turning to the right. All the way to the right. All the way to your right. All the way to your right. Keep going. Keep going. No, listen. Listen. Keep going. All right, stop. Now turn your wheel all the way to the left. All the way to the left. Now back up. All right. There you go. All right, turn to the right. Turn your wheels to the right. There you go.
Backing up?
Yeah, let me see how you fall. You good. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Straighten out your wheel. Straighten out your wheel. Straighten out your wheel. Back up. All right, there you go. Keep doing it. There you go. All right. So I don't want you to get the 2 jackknife right there. All right. So now, slowly, you're gonna gradually just go 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. Keep the truck over to the edge. All right.
Talking about that edge?
Yeah, keep it close to the edge, but don't go into the snow. Just keep it close to the edge. All right. You're gonna try to wiggle your way in. All right. Go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You go. Keep going. Keep going. I got you. Keep going. Stop. Now back up. Back up. Now turn your wheel to the right. No, stop, stop, no, stop. Back up and turn your wheel to the right. All right. Keep going. All right, straighten out your wheel. Now straighten out your wheel. Yeah, so no, I want you to straighten up the wheel. Straighten up the wheel, all right? So you're gonna straighten your wheel. All right, back up. Back up, just keep backing up, don't worry about it. All right. Now I want you to turn your wheel to the left. I mean to your right, to your right. Turn to your right. Now back up. Yep, keep backing up. All right. Pull forward. Pull forward. Yeah, I got you. Pull forward. Pull forward. All right. Keep pulling forward. Okay, y'all get out the snow. Pull forward. Pull forward. Pull forward. We'll go this way. Keep going.
Tis but a scratch.
Good. Back up.
Let me move this way so the trailer kind of tilt a little bit on this way. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, but see the thing is, the moment you tilt, because you got to counter tilt, all right?
Yeah.
Because if you counter tilt, you know what you're going to do? That trailer's going to hit that trailer, all right? So the thing is, I know, but that's just one of the things you're going to have to figure out, all right? But I'm going to help y'all, all right? No problem, but just
go this way.
so yeah. So I want you to turn. So what I'm going to tell you to do? So you're going to turn left. We got to get you right back to where you were, all right?
So you're going to turn the wheel to the left, back up.
Yeah, back up.
Okay.
All right. Let me spot you. All right, straighten out the wheel. There you go. Now straighten out the wheel. Wheel straight, wheel straight. Turn the wheel straight. All right, turn all the way to the right. Turn all the way to the right. Now back up. All right, stop. Pull forward. Stop, pull forward. Pull forward. All right, pull forward. See how far. Let me see how close you are on this side, alright? Alright, pull forward a little bit. Slow down, slow down. Pull forward. Stop. Alright. So you wanna back up. You're gonna back it up, alright? You're gonna keep your wheel straight, alright? And then gradually keep backing up. Alright. Now just keep backing up. Now turn your wheel to the right. But gradually, alright? Alright. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Don't lose momentum. Keep going. Keep going. Straight. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You good. Keep going. Pull forward. Keep going. Keep going. Stay right there. That's how you want to do this. You want to pull that wheel on top. Alright. So, bro, man. We at? Alright, he's going to get. You want to at least get these. Alright, hey, bro, man. So, what we going to do? We're going to try to get that trailer. We're going to try to get the trailer on the curb, alright? Alright. So, keep your wheel just like that. I want you to back up. We're going to try to get two of those wheels on there, alright? There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Push it. Alright. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Like that. Keep pushing it. There you go. Keep going. Now this is what I want you to do. Turn all the way to the left, alright? Because you're going to get this truck in a straight line, alright? I want you to get that trailer in a straight line. Alright, slowly, all the way to the left. There you go. Keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. Keep turning this way. Keep doing. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Keep going. All right. Now turn to the right.
Well, why the fuck you moving?
Keep turn to the right. I got him. You think you squeeze through? Go and squeeze through. Stay right there. Come on. 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 I got you. There you go. Come on. Come on. You can squeeze through. Go. You good. You can squeeze. All the way to the right. Keep going. All right. So, bro, man, you're going to get your, I want you to get that back tire right there on the curb. You don't have to go over the curb. Just get right on the curb. All right?
To the right?
No, keep like you is right now. All right?
Keep the wheel straight?
No, to the right. There you go. Alright. Stop. Now turn it all the way to the left. Alright. Now go. Come on. Alright. Pull forward. Stop. Come on. Come on. All right. All right. Pull this way, all right? Yeah. Turn it like this, all right? Now drive forward. All right. Now turn. Come this way. All right. Slow down. Slow down. Gradually. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Slow down. Keep going. You almost got it. You almost got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Fucking hell. Shit. I'm sorry. Stay right there. Stay right there. All right. Oh boy. Jeez. I don't get paid for that. Oh shoot. I'm a water bottle. Yeah, sorry about the delay, sweetheart. Do a tongue test, alright? I was saying, do a tongue test and make sure your controllers stay on it, alright? Make sure the kingpins are locked, alright? Yeah, but do a tongue test first. Alright. Yeah, I'm going, alright?